Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation on smart B-roll solutions. Today, we'll explore how you can enhance your videos with iBARE, brought to you by Adollarclass Inc. We'll cover the key features, benefits, and how this innovative tool can elevate your video content. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the fundamentals of B-roll. First, we have iBARE search capabilities. This feature is designed to help users quickly find the perfect B-roll footage by leveraging advanced search tools, making the process more efficient and accurate. Next, we have AI-generated B-roll solutions. These solutions use artificial intelligence to create or suggest relevant footage, saving time and expanding creative options. Together, these capabilities form the backbone of a modern, streamlined approach to sourcing and producing B-roll content, which connects directly to our overall goal of enhancing video production efficiency and quality. Let's take a closer look at B-roll fundamentals. First, B-roll refers to the supplementary footage that enhances your main story. It's what helps to add context, depth, and visual interest. When used effectively, B-roll can make your content much more engaging and easier to understand. One key point is that B-roll should support your primary narrative without overpowering it. Think of it as the visual storytelling layer that complements your main shots. It's important to plan your B-roll shots carefully, ensuring they align with your message and help illustrate key points. Another crucial aspect is quality. Good B-roll is clear, well-composed, and relevant. Poor quality footage can distract viewers or diminish the professionalism of your project. Finally, integrating B-roll seamlessly into your editing process is vital. This means matching the footage to your narration or dialogue smoothly, maintaining a natural flow. Overall, mastering B-roll fundamentals is about understanding how to select, shoot, and incorporate footage that supports your storytelling goals and keeps your audience engaged throughout your presentation. Let's talk about supplementary footage and how it plays a vital role in our videos. Think of it as a visual context provider. It helps clarify and reinforce what we're discussing. By adding relevant visuals, we can keep viewers engaged and make complex points easier to understand. This supplementary footage also acts as a storytelling element. It adds depth to our narrative, giving visual support that complements what we're saying aloud. When used effectively, it makes our story more compelling and memorable. Another important role it serves is as a transition tool. It allows us to cover edits smoothly, helping maintain a seamless flow between different scenes or interview segments. This keeps the viewer immersed without feeling jolted by abrupt cuts. Finally, from a technical standpoint, supplementary footage is often necessary. It helps solve editing challenges, like when our primary footage has mistakes or needs a visual boost. By incorporating additional visuals, we ensure our final product looks polished and professional. Overall, supplementary footage isn't just filler. It's a powerful tool that enhances storytelling, improves flow, and solves editing issues, all of which are essential for creating engaging, high-quality videos. Now, let's talk about how visual elements play a crucial role in maintaining viewer engagement. By including relevant imagery, we can support the main content and keep viewers interested and focused on what we're presenting. Think of visuals as a visual context provider. They help make complex ideas more understandable and memorable. Next, we have the transition tool. Smooth scene changes are essential because they prevent jarring cuts that might cause viewers to lose focus or become disengaged. A seamless flow keeps the audience immersed in the story we're telling. Attention retention is another key point. During longer videos or when explaining complex concepts, varying visual elements helps combat viewer fatigue. It keeps the experience dynamic and prevents the audience from losing interest over time. Finally, visual aids also serve as story enhancement. They add depth to our narrative by illustrating concepts mentioned in the main footage, making the overall message clearer and more compelling. In essence, thoughtful use of visuals not only supports our content, but also elevates the entire presentation, making it more engaging and effective for our audience. Used for transitions, These techniques help create a seamless flow between scenes. When we use B-roll, it makes scene changes feel natural and smooth, so viewers aren't jolted by abrupt cuts. It's also great for covering interview edits. Overlay footage can hide jump cuts when editing dialogue or fixing mistakes, keeping the story flowing seamlessly. Additionally, incorporating varied imagery keeps the audience engaged, especially during longer segments or complex explanations. This variety helps maintain visual interest and prevents viewer fatigue. Finally, supporting visuals can enhance storytelling by reinforcing key points and creating emotional connections. Overall, these transition techniques are vital for maintaining a professional, engaging narrative that keeps viewers immersed from start to finish. Finding the right footage can be quite challenging. One major hurdle is dealing with vast amounts of raw footage. Sorting through these extensive video archives takes a lot of time and resources, which can slow down our entire process. Then, there's the issue of missing footage. Often, the specific scenes we need simply don't exist or are hard to find, making it even more difficult to get exactly what we want. Searching manually for these clips can be very time-consuming, and this delay impacts our overall production timeline and efficiency. Finally, sourcing footage from commercial libraries can be quite expensive. These options often come with high costs and licensing restrictions, which can limit flexibility and inflate budgets. So, as you can see, these challenges really highlight why finding the right footage is such a complex part of the production process. When it comes to professional videos, having the right editing tools is essential. First, let's talk about enhancing viewer engagement. By adding dynamic content changes, you keep your audience interested and make the video more visually appealing. It's about providing visual context that helps clarify your message without losing their attention. Next, seamless editing is crucial. Masks and transitions allow you to cover cuts effortlessly, creating a smooth flow that looks polished and professional. This makes your video appear more refined and well-produced. Supporting your main content is also key. Using supplementary footage to illustrate your key points reinforces your message and adds depth. It helps viewers understand complex ideas more easily by providing relevant visual examples. Finally, adding visual depth through layered storytelling really enriches the viewing experience. Complementary imagery creates a multi-dimensional narrative, making your videos more engaging and memorable. All of these elements work together to elevate the quality of your videos and ensure your message resonates with your audience. Let's take a closer look at the iBARE search capabilities. This slide highlights some of the key features that make our search function so powerful and user-friendly. First, the search is designed to be intuitive, allowing users to find what they need quickly and efficiently. Whether you're searching for specific data points or broader information, the system is optimized to deliver relevant results rapidly. What's really important here is the flexibility of the search options. You can filter results based on various parameters, which helps in narrowing down large datasets to exactly what you're looking for. This is especially useful when working with complex or extensive data. Another critical aspect is the accuracy of the search results. Our algorithms are fine-tuned to prioritize precision, so users can trust that the information they retrieve is relevant and reliable. All of these capabilities align with our overall goal of making data access seamless and efficient, empowering users to make informed decisions more quickly. Whether you're in analysis, reporting, or strategic planning, these search features are designed to support your workflow effectively. Let's talk about how iBARE leverages AI-powered video scanning to revolutionize content management. First, it offers fast content analysis, meaning it can scan videos quickly and automatically identify key elements and scenes. This speeds up the whole process and saves a lot of manual effort. Next, there's smart tagging. The AI recognizes faces, objects, and actions within the video, creating searchable metadata. This makes it much easier to find specific clips later on without having to watch everything again. Then we have context recognition. This is a crucial point. It's not just about what's visually there, but understanding the meaning of scenes beyond just images. This improves the relevance of search results, making the system smarter and more intuitive. Finally, the real-time processing feature means videos are analyzed as soon as they're uploaded. So, new content becomes immediately searchable, keeping your workflow seamless and up-to-date. Altogether, these capabilities highlight how AI-driven video scanning enhances efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility, aligning perfectly with our goal of smarter content management. Let's take a closer look at some of the advanced search capabilities enabled by AI. First, keyword and facial recognition allow us to quickly sift through large video archives by searching for specific terms or identifying particular individuals. This makes finding relevant footage much more efficient. Next, facial recognition filtering helps us focus on clips that feature certain people, making talent-focused searches both accurate and streamlined. It's especially useful when you need to locate footage of specific individuals without manually scanning through hours of video. Scene context analysis is another powerful feature. It recognizes visual elements and settings within footage, ensuring that the clips we retrieve match the contextual requirements of our project. This helps us seamlessly integrate footage that fits the scene's environment. Finally, the smart tagging system automatically organizes all this footage with relevant metadata tags. This means we can quickly find what we need later, saving us time and effort during the editing or review process. Altogether, these AI-powered tools are transforming how we search, filter, and organize video content, making our workflows more efficient and precise, something that aligns perfectly with our overall goal of leveraging technology to streamline media management. Now, let's talk about how we can make footage retrieval much more efficient with tags. Our smart tagging system uses AI recognition to automatically categorize your footage, making it quick and easy to find exactly what you need when you need it. This saves a lot of time that might otherwise be spent searching through endless clips. In addition to automatic tags, you can create custom metadata fields, personalized tags tailored to your specific project requirements. This way, you can organize your footage in a way that makes the most sense for your workflow. The search functionality is quite powerful as well. You can find clips instantly by entering keywords, scene descriptions, or even visual elements. It's a streamlined way to locate specific shots without hassle. Finally, our usage tracking feature helps you keep an eye on which clips have been used in your projects. This helps prevent repetition and ensures your content stays fresh and engaging. Altogether, these tools work together to make managing large libraries of footage much more manageable and aligned with your overall content strategy. Let's talk about usage analytics and how they can really inform our content strategy. First, viewer engagement metrics help us understand how audiences respond to specific B-roll segments. This allows us to refine our future content selection, making it more appealing and effective. Then we have performance data, which shows us which B-roll clips generate the highest retention and engagement rates across our videos. This insight is crucial because it tells us what's working and what isn't, so we can prioritize the most impactful visuals. Next, content effectiveness analysis helps us determine which types of B-roll resonate best with different audience demographics and content categories. This way, we tailor our visuals to suit the viewer's preferences and needs. Finally, optimization insights provide us with recommendations for improving B-roll selection based on past performance data. These suggestions help us continuously refine our approach, ensuring we deliver more engaging and effective videos overall. All of these tools together really empower us to create smarter, more targeted content that connects better with our audience. Now, let's talk about how iBARE integrates seamlessly with editing software. What's really powerful here is that iBARE connects directly with major editing platforms, making it easy to transfer and manage B-roll footage without needing to leave your editing environment. This integration streamlines your workflow significantly. You can access all iBARE features through dedicated plugins, which means everything is right where you need it, inside your editing software, saving you time and keeping your focus on the creative process. Plus, with multiple format choices, iBARE is compatible with virtually any editing software, so you're not limited by file types or platforms. Another key point is collaboration. Team members can share and access B-roll selections directly within the editing interface, fostering real-time teamwork and reducing delays. This makes the entire process more efficient and collaborative. We also see these capabilities in action through plugin features, export options for different formats, and real-time collaboration tools, all designed to create a seamless, integrated workflow. This ensures that your editing process remains smooth, efficient, and collaborative from start to finish. Let's take a look at AI-generated B-roll solutions. This slide highlights how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we create supplemental footage to enhance our videos. AI-driven tools can quickly generate a variety of B-roll options, saving us both time and resources. They allow us to produce high-quality visuals that may otherwise require costly shoots or extensive editing. Importantly, these solutions help us maintain a consistent visual style across our projects, which is crucial for brand identity. By integrating AI-generated B-roll, we can be more flexible and responsive to project needs, ultimately improving our storytelling capabilities. This ties back to our overall theme of leveraging innovative technology to streamline production and elevate quality. Now, let's talk about how our tool creates photorealistic clips. It's powered by AI, which means it can transform concepts into realistic footage, even when actual video footage isn't available. This is especially useful when you need visuals but can't shoot on location or don't have existing footage. Another key feature is customizable scenes. You can adjust lighting, setting, and style to perfectly match your project's specific needs. This flexibility allows you to create visuals that are tailored to your message, making your content more cohesive and professional. This solution is also a huge time saver. Instead of spending hours filming B-roll footage, you can produce high-quality clips in just minutes. That means faster turnaround times and more efficient workflows. And it's cost-effective too. By generating footage digitally, you can eliminate expenses related to location shoots, equipment, and stock footage, which can really add up. Overall, this technology enhances our ability to create compelling, realistic visuals quickly and affordably, aligning perfectly with our goal of delivering high-quality content efficiently. When customizing your video to match its tone, it's important to ensure that the style and mood are consistent throughout. Think about aligning the visuals and the overall vibe so everything feels cohesive. B-roll visuals play a big role here. They should complement your main footage and blend seamlessly, almost like they're part of the same story. Adjusting the color grading is another key step. You want to maintain consistent color profiles between your primary footage and B-roll. This consistency helps your video look polished and professional, avoiding any jarring transitions that might distract your viewers. Packing is also crucial. When selecting B-roll, choose clips that support the rhythm of your video. It should enhance the storytelling flow, not disrupt it. Proper packing keeps your audience engaged and makes your message more impactful. Finally, always align your B-roll with your core message. The visuals should reinforce what you're saying, not divert attention or create confusion. When done well, this careful selection and editing elevate your video, making it more compelling and professional. All right, let's walk through the 5-step integration workflow. First, we start by inputting your themes. This means entering the main video topics and key moments you want to highlight, which helps target the B-roll search more effectively. Next, we move to the search libraries phase, where iBARE automatically finds and suggests relevant clips from existing footage, saving you time and effort. Then, you get preview options. Here, you can review the suggested clips with real-time previews before making your final selections, ensuring everything aligns with your vision. Finally, if suitable existing footage isn't available, you can request AI-generated footage to fill any gaps. This workflow is designed to streamline your editing process while maintaining high-quality results, perfectly fitting into the overall theme of efficient and intelligent content creation. Now, let's explore how auto-tagging and metadata enrichment can really streamline your video workflows. First up, smart content recognition. This technology automatically identifies people, objects, and scenes within your videos, which means you don't have to spend time manually tagging everything. It's like having an extra set of eyes that work instantly and accurately. Next, we have custom metadata fields. This feature allows you to create specialized tags tailored specifically to your project or industry. For example, if you're working in a particular niche, you can define tags that make your search and organization even more precise. Then there's batch processing. This is a game changer because it enables you to apply tags to multiple clips at once. Instead of tagging each video individually, you save hours, sometimes even days, by processing large batches simultaneously. Finally, searchable transcripts convert speech to text, making your content searchable by spoken words and phrases. This not only improves accessibility, but also allows you to quickly locate specific content within your videos. All of these features work together to enhance your content management, making your videos more discoverable and easier to organize, which aligns perfectly with our overall goal of creating smarter, more efficient media workflows. Now, let's talk about analytics on viewer engagement. This is where we really get into understanding how your audience is interacting with your content. Engagement metrics allow us to track viewer attention and identify which B-roll segments resonate most effectively. By analyzing this data, we can see which clips keep viewers engaged and which ones might need tweaking. Moving on to performance insights, this is about digging deeper to find out which specific B-roll clips generate the highest audience retention and engagement across your videos. The goal here is to understand what works best so you can replicate those successes in future content. That naturally leads us to data-driven decisions. With these analytics at our fingertips, we can refine our B-roll selection to enhance overall video performance. It's about making smarter choices based on real evidence rather than guesswork. And finally, audience behavior. Monitoring how viewers interact with different types of B-roll gives us valuable clues on content strategy. Are certain types more engaging? Do viewers respond better to specific styles or themes? Using this insight, we can optimize our content to better meet audience preferences and keep them hooked. Altogether, these analytics are essential tools for continuously improving your videos and ensuring they connect with your viewers in the most impactful way. Thanks. I really appreciate everyone taking the time to be here today. I hope you found the presentation insightful and useful. Remember, the key points we've discussed, whether it's the strategies, the data, or the insights, are all about helping us move forward more effectively. Connecting everything back to our overall theme, it's about continuous improvement and innovation. So, thank you once again for your attention and engagement. I look forward to seeing how you all apply these ideas in your work. Have a great day.